Hello, good morning everyone. It's an honor to be here. My name is André Stolz, and together with my co-founder, Dr. Bert Grobban, I've left well-paid corporate jobs to follow my passion to make an even bigger impact to environment and society. And at WaterTech, I get the chance to turn waste to worth. Did you know that about 80% of the world's wastewater is being dumped back into the environment, largely untreated? To treat the wastewater, especially to remove organic contaminants, is very complex, costly, and often creates additional waste. On the other hand, legislation is tightening in almost every country, and the pressure to reuse the water is rising. WaterTech has a solution to it by turning waste to worth. We are focusing on commercializing an environmentally friendly, super absorbent sponge technology that we call the carbon fiber aerogel, or in short, CFA. This material, as you can see, is ultra efficient in the absorbency of a wide range of liquid organics. Organics like oils, grease, fats, dyes, solvents. The material can take up to 190 times its own weight. And like a sponge, you simply mechanically squeeze it out, reuse the organics, and redeploy the sponge, as you can see in the video. And compared to commercially available sorbent materials, mostly out of polypropylene, you can see that our material can take up the organics at much faster rate, much higher capacity, and then we can redeploy it over and over again. And the very nice thing is that this material is made out of a cellulosic biomass. So we can use true waste paper, waste carton, or natural waste materials like fruit bunches and husks, or renewable materials. We convert that with our patented process to our carbon fiber aerogel, apply it for water treatment, clean the water, reuse the organics, and then redeploy the material again. And the used up material even has an end of life or a second life in road constructions and soil amendments. So it's a very nice circular economy, or what we call the waste to worth cycle. We've been bringing this material into the right form factor and recently launched our heavy duty industrial filter that our client now uses to efficiently remove high levels of oil from their water streams. And we enable the clients to get a 40x ROI driven by subsequent chemical savings. Currently, we are working to integrate this material into other products that help to remove oil from either movement traps or to use for oil spill remediation. We've had some really good initial results, as you can see here from the chart, and hopefully soon you will hear many more good news from us. The team that brings this innovation to life consists of experts with both scientific and business expertise. I have with me in the team here, Tim Yeo, and you can approach us after this event. And each of them is as passionate really to take this technology to life. At the moment, we are working with renowned clients and have a quite big revenue potential in front of us. At this stage, we are also raising funds to help us convert additional clients into customers, to validate these additional products, and then to expand, go to full commercial sales and expand geographically. But why choose WaterTech? Because WaterTech is delivering the triple bottom line. So not only are we providing returns to our investors by providing good financials and profitability, but we are also giving a positive impact to the society. We enable communities to take their local waste streams, convert it, and then treat their local wastewater and generate value out of it. And of course, lastly, we are providing positive impact to the environment. We support carbon reductions, and of course, we support achieving several sustainability development goals. So if you want to be part of our journey and support us, please engage us. Thank you.
Please stay on the stage to accept your award. Congratulations, Andre.
Thank you.
Next up today, we have Alexander from Vertical Farming Pioneers Agritech. Alexander, please join us on stage.
Hello. All right. Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Agritech, and it's our job and our business to scale urban agriculture across any city. Now, I'm an engineer, and besides science and mathematics, nothing thrills me more than fixing broken things. And there's nothing quite as broken as our food system. In the next 3 decades, we'll need to produce the combined previous 8,000 years of food just to feed our society. Traditional agriculture also accounts for over 80% of deforestation and 70% of fresh water. Completely nonsense. And all for less nutritious food on our tables because it has to fly across the world. Urban farms are the answer, but they're not being scaled fast enough. When I started an urban farm a couple of years back, it was extremely difficult, and there are a lot of people like me. They face extremely high barriers to entry in financing, complexity, and time to start these farms. On the other side of things is that consumers rarely want to buy urban agriculture goods because of the price, and basically it's a fast-moving consumer good. There's no brand loyalty. A show of hands, does anyone know more than 2 urban farms? Yeah. So, and farms spend tremendous amounts of money on marketing. We're coming up with a business model that will solve all this. On one side, we democratize and incentivize urban farming. We create accessibility for individuals like myself and you to own a part of an urban farm. With a very small amount of subscription fee and a minimal amount of effort, you can achieve maximum reward by actually sharing some of the produce on our farm. And what that does is actually you are then able to sell this through your networks and basically boost vegetable consumption and also have urban agri-produce at very affordable prices. Our business model works as co-farmers engage us with a subscription fee, and we deliver and pack 40 kilograms of fresh delivered vegetables. Our co-farmers network with their customers, and we deliver all these right to their doorstep. Our co-farmers are able to earn almost 2x their monthly subscription fee. We've developed some core capabilities. We think we're the first and only urban agriculture farm that's able to run 100% of renewables. So if you can see the picture there, that's a solar panel and a rainwater collector. And we scale rapidly on rooftop farms, having achieved 2 farms and having a commercial farm towards the end of this year. We have also developed our own software systems, and this tracks everything from our crop data to different parameters on the farm to ensure that our crop science is replicable and repeatable across different seasons and times. So this is our executive team. Myself, I'm an engineer by training. Ferlin, she's my co-founder, she's here as well. And it's our aim to actually scale these farms on every rooftop in Singapore and beyond. So when you think of a rooftop, think of Agritech. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexander. Congratulations. Please stay on stage to accept your award. Thank you, Alexander. Next up today, we'll be joined by Ishwara from the Nurturing Co., who are developing an incredible range of sustainable home products. Welcome to the stage, Ishwara.
Good morning, everyone. It's an honor for me to be here today with all of you. My name is Ishwarya, and I'm the junior co-founder of the Nurturing Co. Today, I'd like to share with you a bit more about what my company does and how we help consumers reduce their resource footprint. Water scarcity is no longer an issue that's contained within developing countries. Cities now, more than ever, are having to look at how they use water and understand the water footprint of products that they use every day. However, concepts such as water and carbon footprint are still not openly communicated to consumers, and this lack of awareness often leads to a lack of action. At the Nurturing Co., we believe in keeping sustainability simple. We offer simple switches that help consumers to create a significant difference. Under our flagship brand Bamboo, we create earth-friendly daily use essentials, such as bamboo toilet paper, facial tissues, and kitchen rolls, which help consumers to reduce their carbon, water, and plastic footprint. Now, let me share with you a bit more about how much water you can actually save by switching out your toilet paper. So to give you some context, the average amount of water a person uses in a day in Singapore is about 140 liters. And this is the same amount of water that it takes to create a single roll of wood pulp toilet paper. Now, Bamboo, on the other hand, uses 93% lesser water in its production process. Now, that's about 130 liters of water that you're saving per roll. 130 liters might not seem like much, but the power is in the numbers, because we're talking about products that all of us use every single day. So if a family of 4 was to switch over to Bamboo, they'll be able to reduce their water footprint by over 30,000 liters in a year. And let's think big. If Changi Airport was to switch out its toilet rolls across all of its 4 terminals, it'll be able to reduce its water footprint by a whopping 1.3 billion liters in just a year. This is 1.3 billion liters that can now be used for other means. Now, I'll let David, the founder of the Nurturing Co., share with you a bit more about our vision for the future.
Hi there, my name's David Ward. I'm the CEO of the Nurturing Company. It's a tremendous honor to be here to talk with you this afternoon and share a little bit more about our future and our mission. And we have some ambitious goals ahead of us for the next 4 years with our customers in various different markets, including the United States. We will be looking to not use 3 billion liters of water over the next 4 years. We hope that this will make some small measure of change, and that through our efforts and the efforts of others, and those efforts being recognized as some are here today, to greatly amplify to the consumer that they have a choice and they are able to make a difference by taking those choices in hand and choosing products that are being built from the ground up and choosing services that are built from the ground up to have less impact, use less of the resources that are around us, and help better protect the earth. Thank you very much. Hi there, my name.
As they say, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And sometimes it's as simple as switching out products that we use every day in order to create a significant difference. So I urge each and everyone here in this room today, the next time you're thinking about taking a step towards a greener future, why not start in your bathroom? You'll be surprised with just how much of a difference you can make. Thank you so much to Unbound for this opportunity, and I look forward to building a greener future with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ishwara, and congratulations. Okay, last in this cohort, we have the incredible founder of the cellular aquaculture company, Shiok Meats. Sandhya, please join us on the stage to tell us more.
Hello, everybody. Pleasure to be here. And today I'm going to talk about our company revolutionizing sustainable seafood and meats, Shiok Meats. I'm Sandhya Sriram, the co-founder and CEO. The demand for seafood and the impact on our planet is immense. We are looking at a population of 10 billion in the next couple of decades and a $250 billion industry just in terms of seafood. And among those $250 billion, about $147 billion is just crustaceans, the ones that we like a lot, like shrimp, crab, lobster, crayfish, and so on. UN report has shown that ocean biodiversity is in the peril due to overfishing and climate change. So what we bring at Shiok Meats is a sustainable alternative. We are co-founded in 2018 by myself and my co-founder, Kai. We both are actually stem cell scientists by training. I also have a business background. But with Shiok Meats, what we are doing is we are offering cultivated seafood and meat. What I mean by that is we make seafood and meat the real thing, using stem cells instead of the entire animal. Our products are environmental friendly, delicious, healthy, strengthens the food supply, and is completely cruelty-free as well. Our patent-pending technology, as you can see here, is very similar to how you grow fruits and vegetables in a greenhouse. We take stem cells from the animal, And stem cells have this amazing capacity to grow outside of the animal's body as long as you give them a conducive environment. So you provide them the right temperature, the nutrients, the pressure, the pH, and the right environment, and what they start forming is actual meat. So in about 4 to 6 weeks, we are able to create shrimp, crab, lobster, or crayfish meat using stem cells instead of the 6 months to a year that it actually takes the animal to grow, and then we slaughter it to have the meats. Our story is truly of cultured and culture. Kai and myself, as I mentioned, are stem cell scientists by training. I'm also a serial entrepreneur, and right now we are a team of over 30 people, all working together passionately towards a sustainable food future. This is not just science or biotech. We have actually produced food using this technology, and as you can see here, we have showcased 3 prototypes in the last 3 years of starting the company. First, in March 2019, we showcased our cultivated shrimp in our beloved siu mais or dumplings. Then in 2020, we showed cultivated lobster in a couple of dishes. And last year, we actually showcased our cultivated crab in crab cakes and chili crab. We keep reinventing the wheel by incorporating these meats into different types of Asian, Caucasian, as well as other cuisines as well. We also decided to expand our product portfolio, and hence we acquired a red meat company that creates beef and pork using stem cells called Gaia Foods. And with this, we are expanding our products and technologies into red meat as well. Till now, we have raised about $30 million from global investors, including seafood and food companies, to help us achieve this goal. And we are looking to commercialize our first product next year. So all of you will be able to taste it in about 18 months from now in Singapore. We have just opened up our Series B round as well. And this is a capital-intensive industry, but we need the support of consumers, investors, governments, and everybody else in the industry to support us to make this vision a true reality. With that, I end my speech here, and just leaving you with this line: we give you the same great taste, but better for the planet. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sandhya. Congratulations. Very much looking forward to trying your products.